Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to sign up for INX. INX is a crypto trading platform that aims to enable the listing and trading of regulated security tokens and cryptocurrencies. To sign up, open the website, then click on Get Started. On this page, you'll be asked which platform you would like to sign up to. In this video, we selected the cryptocurrencies trading platform. Click on the Click Here button under Cryptocurrencies Trading Platform. Now, enter a valid email and a password you wish to use. Then make sure to read the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once read, click on the tick box beside I accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Also, if you wish to receive notifications from click on the tick box beside I agree to receive notifications and newsletters from INX. After that, click on Join. So a verification link will be sent to the email address you provided. Check your email for the next step. The email you'll receive will look like this. At the middle part, you will see a button that says Go to INX. Click on the Go to INX button. Then you will be directed to this page. Here, log in with your email and password. Before directing to their main page, you need to do few more steps. First, you need to verify your identity by entering all the necessary information such as your first and last name, date of birth, full address and phone number. After entering, click on Next. Also, you need to upload either your ID or address for proof. Click on either of the two, then upload the file. Now, enter your employment details, such as the employment status and occupation. You will also be asked if you're affiliated with a politically exposed person. If yes, click on the radio button beside Yes. If not, click on No. After that, click on Next. Next, enter your financial information. First, enter your social security number, or your tax identification number. Then select your source of wealth, net worth, and annual income by clicking the drop-down arrow on each field. Now, you will be asked about your investment experience. After answering, select your risk tolerance by clicking on the drop-down arrow. Then click on Submit. Lastly, read the account agreement. After reading, click on the I've read and accept button. Now the application has been completed and now under review. Once the application has been completed, you will see this message and can now start trading. To start, click on the Start Trading button. That's how you sign up for INX. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.